Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I'm back with an Erin Condren summer box. So I'm super excited. I have never, ever done one of her seasonal boxes that I can remember at this point. I mean, there have been parts of the last few years have been a blur, but I don't think I've ever done one. So I'm super excited to share with you, and I don't have sticky notes in here right now because we're packing things around, so I'm just putting my hand there. So, in case you hadn't seen, this is what it says. Make your own sunshine. And these boxes are reversible, and since my box has gotten kind of written on and it has weird tape on it, I'm probably going to just turn it inside out. The interesting thing was when this got sent out, I think this one came from Austin. Pardon me. It was either this one or the one that's still to come. And I'm just like, that is so silly. I could drive to Austin, but if I go to Austin, like if I'm getting anything, with where it's been personalized with your name or your company or whatever, or your initials, they can't do it for you while you're standing there in the store. Not yet, but soon. Soon. So, okay, so let's take a look. So this is and I only cut it open. So this is the 2019 Summer Seasonal Surprise Box is here. The box theme is Sunshine in a Box. Ready to splash into summer? It is the best season for making sun-drenched memories that keep us warm all year long. It's also the season that seems to sail by the fastest. So, we curated a box of sunshine that will inspire you to enjoy everyday magic while capturing golden summer memories in style. I hope every splash of inspiration you get from the quote on the cover, every happy sticker you pop in your planner, and every memory and thought you jot in your colorful summer journal reminds you to plan and live a life you truly love. I would love to hear from you and what you think about this. And then she talks about tagging them with social media. So this is all the goodies that are in it. So the first thing I want to share is I did place an order for, these two things. I thought there was a third one, but maybe not. So I wanted to get this when I was up in their shop. They didn't have it, but they had it online. So it's just, I always sign with a lowercase k instead of an uppercase K. And I just really liked that, and I thought, oh, that's kind of neat. And I had a coupon, so it was really cute. I love that. So I'm very happy to have that. And then I also picked up some of the 12 mini calendar sticker packs. So, and I thought I could use this in my journaling and Bible journaling and all the different things that I do. So, love that. Okay, now let's take a peek. So you can see I have not even opened it. Ugh. Alright, I cannot believe I pulled that off. Yay. Okay. Fun. So let's just get rid of this for now. There is no reason to keep that sucker all puffed up. Okay. Let's see here. So the first thing I see is this darling little bag. I noticed in the shop in Austin, they had some like bags that they were selling, and this one's really cute. I know that this is great like if you have to go to football games, because now you can't carry a purse. You got to have a see-through bag. A lot of the kids in the different places in the city that go to work, they have to have clear bags. It's really interesting. So, totally different world. But I make my own sunshine. I think that is super cute. And this is leather, and that's rose gold. Super nice. I like the handle. It's a good size. I had been carrying a Coach kind of wallet this size, but it had, compartments and things. And I was carrying it like a purse, and I kind of went back to a big purse, and then I found myself only using the small purse, the small wallet out of it, and then carrying my sunglasses and carrying, all these other things, and I think I need to go back to something like this. So this was in it. So this, let's take a quick peek, and this is their new kaleidoscope, and that's kind of a new thing that they came out with here in the last few months, so it's very pretty. I mean, the quality of this is so nice. It's a finished kind of cardstock cover, and then the paper is always beautiful. So this is great for like your purse, jotting down notes, all kinds of things. I know that when my kids were little, I used to carry things like this all the time, and like stickers, And I would give them different colored pens, like if we were in church or something and I needed them to sit quietly, or if we were in a doctor's office or waiting to get our hair cut, I could just pull it out, open it up, give the kiddos, you know, whatever I had, and they'd put stickers down and they'd color and, you know, and if, however it went. And you know what? I wish I had saved all those things. At the time, you know, when you're a busy mom, you're just like, oh, more stuff, you know. So, it's kind of rude, I know. Okay, I'm being honest. Okay, I'm going to put some of this stuff in there so I can, like I said, we're packing things out, and I want to make sure that I pack this down. Okay, so let's move this to the side, and let's see what else is in here. Oh, goodness, I stuck it again. Well, that's pretty good sticker if it comes off. Oh, these are cute. I have seen these. So these are the rose gold palm paper clips. That's going to be used this summer. I love paper clips. I love specialized paper clips. That is going to be fun. I'm going to use that in my planner. Also, which, speaking of planner, also, this is a really pretty rose gold pen. The prices on these, let me go back. Let's see, the clear wristlet is $15. The summer journal is $14. It's that's the petite journal. Hold on. The ballpoint pen is $10.50. The shape palm paper clips are $8.50. And the mini colorful journal that I had is $6. So there's that. So let's take a look at this, because I'm going to get rid of this package. I think this is too cute of a pen. Of course, I love rose gold. No big secret. And yeah, let's see. Let me pull that out. I'll throw this away. I know, usually I'd save it and find a way to use it, but not today. Ooh, it just twists down very nicely. Let's see here. Oh, it writes like butter. And it's not too heavy, not too light. Wow, I really like that pen. Okay. Well, that's going to go right in there. And again, you know, if I weren't moving everything right now, I'd find a way to save that, and I would make a tip in, or I cover that. But today's not that day. So, okay, so let's look at this. So this is the petite planner. This is the summer journal. I am super happy to get this. I had heard that there was probably going to be something like that in this when I was there. So I did not order a summer journal for my my little traveler's notebook kind of deal that I have from there. So it says, let the sunshine in and let the summer begin. I love it. Oh, so you could start this anytime. So there's 1 month, and then here is the weekly. So here's the second month. And I just wanted to stop really quickly. So you put your to-dos for this month, birthday, special occasion, and then just a dot grid there. Love it. My favorite summertime activity is, so you have a quote for each day of the week. So that's really kind of neat, or a prompt, I should say. So this kind of gets you to journal. I kind of like that. That is super, super cute. Okay. Oh, I guess, is there 2 a day? Huh, I guess there's 2 a day. That's kind of neat, don't you think? Okay, so then here's this month. Okay, so you get 3 months worth, so June, July, August, and we are June 15th, so I'm probably not going to start this to July 1, and I'm probably going to go through September. I know, I just don't want the summer to go away. And then here are the date stickers. I love that. And then here's some of those really pretty rose gold stickers that go with it. And let summer begin, let the sunshine in, hello summer, and all the feathers and the flowers and the pineapples. Super, super cute. I love those sunglasses. Those are so cute. The heart sunglasses. I've got a kit from Sizzix right now, and it's about the heart sunglasses. So hold on a second, guys. There we go. So here is the other 2 stickers that I'm going to put in here. So more of the same, feeling tropical, adventurer. And then you've got the little toucans, and then the coconuts, and the palm leaves, and the citrus. I love it. Ooh, yummy. Figs? Yeah. Is that fig? I don't know. Anyways, kind of looks like one. And then here's just more additional Chase the Sun, and then just the functionals. So, and a little bit of washi, and the banners. Super cute, or flags. Okay. So there are the 3 stickers. So we read a moment ago that the journal itself, let's see, is $14. It comes with one of the sticker sheets, but then they listed here sticker sheet 3, $7.50 value. So, I don't think there's another. No, that's it. So that's interesting. Okay, well, there you go. All right, last but not least, there is, oh yeah, oh I love this, Chase the Sun. So on the Erin Condren regular original planners that she came out with, she has interchangeable covers. So for summer, I have one that I use, and I'm going to change that out. So it says Chase the Sun. It's in the rose gold. I have rose gold rings on that, so this is going to be gorgeous. I love it. So there's the front. Here is the back. So it's 2 pieces. Well, I guess I should take it out so you guys can see it. That really pretty. It's got that really pretty ocean beach colors. You know, the peach with the turquoise and the light green, and you know, it just reminds me of the beach. So, oh neat. So on this you can write on the inside, and there's that, and then there's that. So this was a really cute kit. I think this was totally worth the value. I'm trying to remember what I paid for it. I had a couple of things extra. I'll list it below. I'll look it up. But I do think that this was pretty worth it. I think the only thing that is not really calling my name is I'm not a huge yellow fan. I like yellow. It's not that I don't like yellow, but maybe this is the summer I learned to like yellow. I don't know. But I think it's really, really cute. And, you know, I don't know. I mean, I have 2 girls and a daughter-in-law. Somebody is going to enjoy it if I don't. So that's it. This is the Make Your Own Sunshine Erin Condren summer box. And these are seasonal. There is no mailing list for this, except for that they'll send out an email if you're on the Erin Condren email updates. And there is not like a subscription that you can subscribe to this, because I wrote them and said, is there any way I can just subscribe? And then, you know, basically I don't have to think about it. And they were like, sorry, you can't. So, okay, I get that, no problem. So, and I did have those 2 extra things that I added to this, the K-Charm and then the monthly little bitty sticker kit. So, the really small one. So, that's it. Everything else came in the box. Super cute. I will definitely be turning this box inside out, and I will put this in my craft space. And, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And hit that notification bell to let you know every time there's a new video that comes. I try to get at least a video up a day. And, you know, every now and then I might miss a day. But there's usually, like, tornadic wind like that happened last week that kept me from posting and knocked out all the internet and phones. But there has been we saw another gas station that last week's winds were they were 80-mile-an-hour plus gusts here. And literally the gas station that's like 10-15 minutes, well, probably 10 minutes from our house, there's one 5 minutes. It ripped the roof where it overhangs over the gas pump. And it just kind of crashed it in. That was still there. The one that was about 10 minutes away literally ripped the roof off. It pulled out one of the tanks. There was no tank to be seen. There was another tank that was like partially pulled up out of the ground. It was shocking. Tuesday night is a you know, cheap movie night at a town over. So we went and saw Secret Life of Pets 2. We took our daughter. And on the way home, I told my husband, I said, let's stop. I want to see. I heard that had happened. Let's take a look at it. And we were all just like, wow. I mean, literally our mouths were hanging open. So, so when I say I don't get videos up on those days, you kind of know why. I bet you can understand. So, anyways, usually I try to get them up every day. So hit that notification bell. Tell you every time there's a new video. Come on back. I have got great projects. I'm going to be working through devotionals this summer. And journals and scrapbooking and card making and just everything that I haven't been doing. And I'm also excited to start working again on some of my composition notebooks. So y'all come on back. There's a lot of fun things going on here this summer. And yeah, let's get messy and crafty and all that good stuff together. Okay, my dear sweet friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you so, so, so much for stopping by. I'll be talking to you soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.